Glowing skin refers to skin that looks healthy, radiant, and vibrant. It's characterized by a natural and luminous complexion that reflects good overall skin health. Achieving glowing skin involves a combination of factors, including proper skincare, a healthy lifestyle, and balanced nutrition. A healthy diet can play a significant role in promoting glowing skin. Here are 10 foods that are known to contribute to healthy and radiant skin. 1. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production and helps the skin maintain its elasticity. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from UV damage and supports overall skin health. 3. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and compounds that can help improve skin hydration, elasticity, and protect against sun damage. 4. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, keeping it hydrated and supple. 5. Avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, like vitamin E, that help protect your skin from damage and keep it moisturized. 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which contribute to youthful-looking skin by protecting against oxidative stress. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is essential for skin health and helps prevent dryness. 8. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds contain essential fatty acids and antioxidants that support skin health and reduce inflammation. 9. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help repair and maintain skin cells. 10. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are also high in vitamin C, and they contain carotenoids that contribute to skin health and protect against sun damage. Remember that while these foods can contribute to healthy skin, they work best as part of a balanced diet. Additionally, factors like staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, using sunscreen, and avoiding excessive sugar and processed foods are also important for maintaining glowing skin.